We are so busy taking from the world that we forget that there must come a time when you want to give back something. Pehel was born out of that desire. A desire to contribute, a desire to add value, a desire to make a difference to the lives of millions of Indians. Dainik Jagran, with over 5.36 crore readers, created Pehel as an initiative designed to act as a powerful catalyst for organizations who, in their quest for effecting social awareness and change, would benefit immensely from a mass reach apparatus to get their message heard, seen and understood.
For an NGO like Breakthrough, which engages with popular culture and media, to then advertise and be there in the mainstream has always been difficult because of the prohibitive entry barriers. In this kind of a scenario, the help of Pehel and their support has been really remarkable and encouraging, because it has helped the Breakthrough campaigns on issues of violence that women face, positive women and the discrimination they face, to be out there in the public space for more and more people to know about it. Just to give you an example, this year in 2007, we released a campaign talking about the discrimination that positive women face. The fact that they are thrown out of their houses after their positive husbands die of AIDS. It was amazing the kind of response we got from Uttar Pradesh, where our ads were put in the newspapers thanks to Pehel, and people remember the campaign. We have gone back for education training programs. They remember seeing the campaign. So in that way we have been able to get our message out there much more effectively. I hope that this event and many more such events will squarely position how communication can play a positive role in social change.
Pehel is our way of saying and doing what we may for the world to be a better place to live, because we care.
I don't need to tell you about the size of Dainik Jagran or how important of a publication it is, but we've known Dainik Jagran for many years, especially through their Pehel initiative, one of the pioneering initiatives by any media house to associate itself and support social causes. We've been involved with Pehel through a number of initiatives, and the award-winning Bindas Pole condom promotion campaign. They've supported us by doing a number of series of weekly, in fact, columns and articles. Very innovative, very interesting, very entertaining.
Pehel functions like a mass awakening mechanism that spreads social and human development issues, involving advocacy groups as conscience partners by crafting an information infrastructure network that affects behavioral, attitudinal changes.
3 people die due to tuberculosis in India every 2 minutes. The TB bacterium spreads through the air, and every single TB patient is in fact capable of infecting 10 or more people in a year. These chilling statistics points towards the fundamental need of a public-private partnership to increase the role of mass media in dissemination of health-related information. In this context, the Lily Dainik Jagran Pehel Partnership for Prevention and Awareness of TB is an excellent example of mass media campaigns that could effectively be utilized for improving health outcomes. Specifically, the partnership aims at making available, number 1, disease state awareness through syndicated columns, number 2, information on demand on frequently asked questions through a SMS service, and number 3, information on location of nearest DOTS center through a dedicated helpline. To my mind, this initiative is first of its kind of a media house coming forward to collaborate with a pharma company.
Pehel is intensely involved with what it calls its 7 commandments: literacy for all, population issues, gender issues, poverty eradication, health for all, safe water, and environment protection.
पहल जो कि एक व्यवहार परिवर्तन का एक माध्यम बनता जा रहा है, शायद हम लोगों के लिए और विकास से जुड़े सभी कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए पहल एक सीख बनकर उभर रही है। हम लोगों ने यही सोचकर पहल के साथ एक ऐसी रणनीति बनाने की कोशिश की है जहां पर कि बिहार और झारखंड में हम लोग जो मीडिया से जुड़े तमाम लोग हैं उन लोगों के साथ मिलकर काम करें। हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि पहल अपने उत्कृष्ट कार्यों से और अपने अच्छे अनुभवों से, अपने ज्ञान से इस दिशा में हमारा मार्गदर्शन करती रहेगी।
Pehel is committed to turbocharge all social development and change-related activities of organizations across the nation by giving their messages unprecedented mileage.
We have been talking to Dainik Jagran for the last so many months, so many years, and the response that we have got from Pehel across our stores has been absolutely incredible. People come to our stores, they specifically look for the Guardian Health Chronicle, which has been published in association with Pehel, to look at what are the different opportunities available for health and wellness. Pehel is doing an incredible job in trying to help Guardian in increasing the number of footfalls. Pehel has done a lot for us to be able to disseminate information.
As long as the social and development initiatives of organizations need a wider reach for their voices, Pehel will continue to make a huge difference to these efforts.
Pehel in a way is itself a civil society, and you will see that it has an important role to play in bridging the need of effective civil societies towards getting their message across to the masses. In Dainik Jagran and other media vehicles that we have, we reach out to the masses very effectively, and Pehel is a nodal body to see that civil societies get their message across through our newspaper and other media vehicles in effective manner.
Pehel is a daily reminder to all of us that change is possible. All it needs is your time. So please contribute generously.